Hello everyone, welcome back to 1PT. Today we are diving into PTE Fill in the blanks, drag and drop. And like other sections, this task targets your reading points inclusively, meaning there is zero room for error. If you've been losing points here, it's usually not because you don't know English, it's because you don't have a system. Today I'm giving you that system. Before you even touch a word, you need to understand the logic of the blank. Here is how to dominate this task. Number 1, 5-second skimming. Don't dive into the blanks immediately. Skim the passage to identify the tone. Is it informative, descriptive, or a discussion? Understanding the content prevents you from choosing words that are technically correct but totally wrong. Number 2, grammatical blueprint. Treat every blank like a puzzle prize. If your blank precedes a noun, your brain should immediately hunt for an adjective. Check for articles a, and, the, and subject verb agreement. Is the content singular or plural? Is it past, present, or future? These grammatical clues eliminate 50% of the wrong options instantly. Number 3. Hunt for collocations. PTE loves words that live together. Look at the words immediately surrounding the blank. Often the answer is a common phrase or a fixed prepositional collocation. Number 4. Elimination. Remember, there are always more words than blanks. Don't get distracted by the extra vocabulary. If you hit a word you don't recognize, evaluate the other options first. Eliminate the impossible to find the inevitable. Number 4. Time management. Speed is your best friend. You should aim to solve the entire passage within 1 to 2 minutes. A guess is always better than a zero. So let's move on to the practice. Here we can see a passage about a report states that death rates and declines of US. Now we'll shortly read the passage. A report states that the decrease of 33% in the US cancer death rate since 1991 with preventing an estimated 3.8 million deaths. The programs, as the report notes, can be the dash to advancements in cancer treatment, declines in smoking rates, and enhancements in early detection. Additionally, researchers have dash reductions in cancer deaths to HPV vaccinations. Okay, move on to the first line. A report states that the decrease of 33% in the US cancer death rate since 1991 with preventing an estimated 3.8 million deaths. It says that the death rate is decreased, and the relation between 33% death decretion and the 3.8 million deaths prevention, something is relating here. So we can add correlates. There is no relation between committed or response. I think it's always correlates. Let's move on to the next line. In the next line, we can see the progress as the report notes can be dashed to advancements in cancer treatment, declines in smoking rates, and enhancements in early detection. So, so it states that the progress can be more in advanced level by, yes, attributing something. It doesn't looks good with committed, response, compares, or linked. It doesn't match. Like the progress as the report notes can be response to advancements in cancer or compares to advancement in cancer treatment or linked to cancer treatments. Additionally, researchers have dash reductions in cancer deaths to HPV vaccinations. Okay. Does it match with additionally researchers have committed? Response? Compares? No. Linked? Yes. Cause we can see that researchers is stating here that the HPV vaccinations reduced the cancer deaths. So we just made it to link. Okay, now let's submit and see what happens. Okay, submit. Score. Yes, I got 3 out of 3. That's my score info. And now let's move on to the next question. Here is the passage showing that cholera is a quick diarrheal infection dashed by consuming food or water. Cholera continues to be a worldwide danger to public health and is a dash of unfairness and absence of social progress. Cholera is a very severe illness and it takes between 12 hours and 5 days for a person to display symptoms after a dash polluted food or water. Cholera impacts both kids and grown-ups and can lead to death within hours if dash. Okay. And we have options caused, agreement, untreated, invested, dedicating, indicator, consuming. Okay. Here in the first line, it says that cholera is a quick diarrheal infection dashed by consuming food or water. That means consuming food or water is the cause of diarrheal infection. Then it's always cause. Then comes the second line, cholera continues to be a worldwide danger to public health and is an dash of okay, it shows something, it shows unfairness and absence of social progress. So indicator, because we can see that it is saying something, it's making us understand about the unfairness and absence of social progress, which means indicator. Okay. Okay, then the third line, cholera is a very severe illness and it takes between 12 hours and 5 days for a person to display symptoms after dash. Okay, consuming. It's for sure because in the first line we can see that here is food or water at consuming. So here food or water is also having consuming. And the next line, cholera impacts both kids and grown-ups and can be lead to death within hours if dash. If untreated, because it cannot be if agreement, if interested, if dedicating. No, it's untreated. So I think I'm done. Okay, submit. That's my score. 4 out of 4. Yeah, they got me. That's it. So now that you know how to practice and what's the strategies, then let's get some cheat sheet for your notebook. Rule number 1. Grammar first, vocabulary second. Grammar narrows the field, vocab picks the winner. Surround the blank. The words right before and after the blanks are your biggest clues. Rule 3. Don't leave it blank. There is no negative marking here, so answer everything. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Best of luck.